In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a member in Zoho WorkDrive. Inviting new people to your workspace is a key step in collaborating effectively, and Zoho WorkDrive makes this process fairly straightforward. I'll walk you through each screen and also mention a few things to watch out for, especially if you're on a free plan. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho WorkDrive account and that you have the right permissions. You'll need to be an admin or have access to the admin area to invite members. Once you're on the main WorkDrive interface, look for the admin console. This is usually accessible from the top or side navigation bar. Go ahead and click on Admin Console. This will open the administration area where you can manage users, settings, and overall team configuration. When the Admin Console dashboard loads, you'll see several options related to your team or organization. From here, find and click on the section labeled Members. This is where you can see everyone who currently has access to your WorkDrive team, including active members, suspended accounts, and sometimes pending invitations. After you open the Members section, look for a button or link that says Invite Members. This is typically located near the top right or in a clearly visible area of the page. Click on Invite Members to start the invitation process. Normally, this is where you would enter the email addresses of the people you want to add and assign roles or permissions, such as member, admin, or any custom roles your organization uses. However, there is an important detail here. If your organization is currently on a free plan, Zoho WorkDrive may not allow you to invite additional members beyond a certain limit. As soon as you click Invite Members, you might see a prompt or pop-up asking you to upgrade your plan before you can continue. This is Zoho's way of letting you know that invitations are restricted on your current subscription. If you see this upgrade message, you won't be able to proceed with adding new members until someone with billing access upgrades the plan to a paid tier that supports more users. At this point, you can either close the prompt and continue using WorkDrive with your existing team, or follow the upgrade instructions provided on that